Welcome and welcome back. I've been trying to fully tidy my closets for a long time, probably like over a good 2 years now. So today, on one of the sunniest days that we've had in a while, I have chosen to stay in my room and not leave until both my closets are tidy. I am embarrassed. So this is closet number 1. We have some shoes, bags, more shoes. I believe down there is dance stuff, but I wouldn't be too sure. That is Christmas lights. We then move on to closet number 2. This one's not as bad, but the situation going on with this one is that I have been dedicated in the family to look after these puzzles and board games, and they must stay there. And there's more board games down there, and I believe my prom dress is down there. I have a strategy. 1, chuck every single clothing item on my bed and go through it all. Number 2, then go through the items. 3, put it all back in. 4, clean. 5, done. Hope you enjoy the ride. Let's get started. I also have these drawers down here that are full of clothes, so I'm also going to chuck that on the bed, making more work for myself. This is something I made whilst learning maths GCSE. Probably why I didn't do that good. Oh, and for anyone that thought it was a cross, it's not, it's a sword. So, this is where we're at the moment. This is the pile. Here's my closet. I'm now going to sort through all these items and find them new homes before going through this, because that just looks intimidating. These are a keeper.
What?
Update. If you are poor and need some money, clean your closet. I have probably found around £3 so far. I'm going to talk through what's going on. I'm kind of out of breath because this is hard. Anyways, here's my rubbish pile. I've got some books that I found. These are all bags. I then have my dance stuff here. This is like my foot stretcher and some balancing stuff. There's another dance bag. Here is my electronics. I also found my prom shoes, which I've been looking for, and these Nike shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of that stuff back in the top. I'm going to hoover out the bottom and put anything at the bottom of my closet that I want in there. And then I'm going to do the exact same to the other closet. I'm also going to sort out this, like, it's meant to be like a shoe holder thing, but it's got some rubbish in it. So I'm going to sort out that also. Hey, I have discovered some gems in this journey. Now, I just want to share these gems, and I've also decided that I'm going to place them in here. So I'm going to move this out to the other closet. Okay, so I've got the hammer. Let's just go for it. Oh, impressive. Oh, no, don't change direction. I might have to get Mum. Let's try a little bit above. Oh! Okay, I give up. Take 2. I found a bigger screw. I think that was my problem. I spoke to Mum. Bigger screw. What is this called? A nail? I think it's a nail. Okay, that's the best we're gonna get. Basically, I was planning on putting this, me and my best friend, below it, but I don't have another pin, and I also don't think I should damage the wall anymore. We're gonna pretend that is down there. I'm gonna go for my clothes now. It's gonna take me a long time. Drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just
just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Right, so I'm going to show you what's going on here. There is a pile of clothes that I'm going to be selling on my Depop. That is actually a pile of clothes that I need to return to my friends. Sorry about that, friend. That is my charity bag. It is now 8 o'clock. So I've basically spent all day doing this. I've just had my dinner. All I've got left to do is spray these bad boys down.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that my room smells like bleach, closet number 1 is looking quite nice. I have my bags over here that I don't use that often. I have my cameras, mic, my tripod, and I think some like electronic stuff back there. I then have my foot stretcher and some dance stuff and my dance stretch book. So that's dance, that's like camera stuff, and then that's bags. I actually don't have as many tops as I thought I do. Okay, but anyway, if you pull back this, there's that photo of me that I hung up, and then just at the bottom I have my dance bag with some dance stuff in. Now, number 2 closet, starting at the top. I really don't have a choice about these board games. If I could choose not to have them in my room, I would. I've tried to organise them as much as possible. I also have my Apple bag up there and my prom shoes that I found. That's the best I could do. And although it doesn't look like it, I colour coordinated this so hard. Here is white, blacks, greys, yellow, pink, green, jeans, and then coats, and then pink coats at the end, which I'm pretty proud of. It kind of looks a bit messy because it's so full up, but this is such an improvement compared to what it was. And I decided to put my straighteners and my hairdryer in there just because I do my makeup here. I have my bag back there which I use like every day, so there's no point putting it away. And then here I have hats and some leotards. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment and subscribe, and make sure to comment and tell me what you want to see in the future.